Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the all-new 2021 Chevrolet Trailblazer RS. This is our new compact SUV based on the same exact platform as the Buick Encore GX. A little bit bigger than the Trax. Good amount of cargo space. There we go. So the RS is the second to highest trim. There's one level above it, and that is the Active. Kind of like a Subaru Crosstrek, more off-road focused. Really nice. This one comes in at $30,630. Mosaic black, metallic, jet black with the red accent stitching. Nice little RS badge right there. Tons of space back here too. Nice panoramic moonroof. Yeah, really comfortable back here. Nice and easy to get out. So the options this one has over the standard RS is your sun and liftgate package. So that is the panoramic sunroof and the power liftgate. Convenience package, which is your automatic air conditioning, stuff like that. Power outlets, Sirius XM, and driver confidence package, which is your rear park assist, rear cross traffic alert, and lane change alert with blind spot warning. This one has the 1.3 liter optional upgraded motor. Base is a 1.2 liter 3-cylinder. Both are turbocharged. Interior is a good step up from your LS and LT trims. Really nice in here. I love the flat bottom design steering wheel. Nice leather wrapped material. Seats are leather outside, cloth inside. Alright, there's your backup camera. Go ahead, I'll engage sport mode. You can also lock the all-wheel drive on. I'll let it do its own thing. But yeah, let's go ahead. Oh. Go for a drive. This is the second Trailblazer I've driven. The first one was an LT mid-range trim. And I was a huge fan of it from the get-go. It's a little bit bigger than the Trax, which I personally think is maybe a tiny bit too small. So this slots in perfectly between the Trax and the Equinox. RS trim adds a little bit of a sportier feel to it. I can definitely tell the suspension's been tuned really nicely. I love all the red accents inside. Very reminiscent of the Blazer RS. Where it doesn't add power, but it adds a little bit more of a sport-oriented feel to everything. Let's go ahead and see how she does. Not bad at all. like the blacked out badging that the RS has. Very, very nice. Really, really fun to drive. I am thoroughly impressed with the RS Trailblazer. That's my water bottle. I'm like, what's rattling? You do have forward collision avoidance assist. So if it senses that you're getting too close to the car in front, it will flash red lights up on the windshield. And then if you still decide to, you know what, yeah, I'm gonna hit the car in front, it will provide some braking for you. In hopes to avoid the vehicle in front. That's awesome. That is absolutely phenomenal. When you engage low mode, you do have manual shifting capability on the shifter itself. Alright, let's try it. Sport mode off. Oh yeah, steering gets a lot lighter. Throttle response is lessened just a little bit. Braking feel is still phenomenal. Oh yeah, that's a good difference. Now we'll head on to our back road and see how good the handling is. That's actually really good. Huh. That's pretty neat. It looks like a Caterham 7 kit car. it does over these bumps. Not bad at all. Overall, man, the Trailblazer is a car, SUV and a half. Really, really nice, especially in the RS trim level. Now, we'll just have to wait and see when we get an active that I can film for you guys. I'll put that up as soon as I can. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video.